Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules for skin. First, understand that vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant crucial for skin health. It helps protect your skin from environmental damage and can significantly improve its appearance. We'll cover how to safely apply it, what benefits to expect, and important tips for incorporating it into your routine. Get ready to unlock healthier, more radiant skin with this simple guide. To apply vitamin E topically, start by cleansing your face thoroughly. Then, carefully puncture one vitamin E capsule using a sterilized needle or pin. Squeeze the rich oil onto your clean fingertips. Gently massage the oil onto the desired areas of your skin, such as scars or dry patches. Allow it to absorb overnight for best results, and remember, a little goes a long way. Before widespread application, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin. This helps check for any allergic reactions or irritation. Avoid applying vitamin E oil to open wounds or areas with active acne, as it can sometimes exacerbate these conditions. For optimal results, use pure vitamin E oil or choose skincare products containing a safe concentration, typically between 0.5% and 2%. For maximum benefits, consistency is absolutely crucial. Aim to apply vitamin E oil 2 to 3 times weekly as part of your evening skincare routine. Complement your topical application with a diet rich in vitamin E found in nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and healthy. Combining these approaches will help you achieve truly glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.